It's another blessed and sunny day here in Calgary. Hello everyone! It's another day and another vlog. At mukhangan tuloy-tuloy na ang spring dito sa Calgary kasi lately sunod-sunod na talaga na maaraw na siya at hindi na masyadong malamig. So, starting off the day again with dropping off Patricia. And kaway-kaway sa mga kababaihan dyan. Today is just going to be a chill day kasi alam nyo na, it's that time of the month. Share ko lang sa inyo ang isang meron ako na wala kayo. Unlike a normal woman, yung sa akin is not a regular that day of the month. Kasi sa akin, kapag dumarating yung time na yon at matindi talaga yung flare-up ko, I had to stay in bed. Naglakas-lakasan pa ako nung umaga. Sa feeling ko, kaya ko. Pero later on in the day, talagang wala na. Sobrang sakit na talaga and I had to stay in bed. Actually, kahapon ko pa nararamdaman to pero pinipilit ko talagang kontrahin. Pero today, hindi ko talaga kinaya. So ayan, kapag ganyan, I just ride through it. Normally, it only lasts a day or two. The longest is about a week. And dati pa nga, 1 month talaga bedbound ako. So yan, ang meron ako na wala kayo. Kaya naman, if you're perfectly healthy, you're blessed, diba? Blessed din naman ako kasi ilang araw lang naman ito and then after that, okay na uli lahat. Nagiging okay na uli ang lahat. That's it for today.